Burning the midnight oil.
Burning the midnight oil, Mr. Hamada?
Burning the midnight oil, Mr. Smith.
Working late into the night or staying up late to study.
Elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room.
Right. So, elephant in the room?
An obvious problem or issue that people avoid discussing.
Saving for a rainy day.
Just saving it for a rainy day.
You been saving it for a rainy day?
Setting aside money for emergencies.
Hit the nail on the head.
You hit the nail on the head, Mr. Gustav.
Now you've hit the nail on the head, Mr. Harris.
Accurately describing a problem.
Bite the bullet.
Go. Bite the bullet. Go on the date.
I guess I'll have to bite the bullet.
Facing a difficult situation with courage.
Break the ice.
To break the ice?
Squirrel, break the ice.
I'll break the ice.
Relieving tension or starting an awkward conversation.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Because every cloud has a silver lining.
But every cloud has a silver lining.
Finding something good in a bad situation.
Get your ducks in a row.
You get one shot. Get your ducks in a row.
You know how I told you to get your ducks in a row?
Organizing tasks and schedules effectively.
Throw caution to the wind.
Let's throw caution to the winds.
Throw caution to the wind and...
Taking a risk and being less cautious.
Barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree here.
Then she's barking up the wrong tree.
Pursuing a mistaken or misguided course of action.
The ball is in your court.
Ball's in your court, Captain.
Balls in your court, hun.
It's someone's turn to make a decision.
Burning bridges.
I burned all my bridges.
Quit my job, burned all my bridges.
Destroying relationship or connection.